Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Of course, who else would it be? Oh, I shouldn't say that because it could be one of my grandchildren. All right, focus, Tina, focus. So, I'm here with some mail, friendship mail, and I don't know who sent this to me. I got one last week and I got one yesterday. And the person or persons who sent me this know me because it's Van Gogh related. So the first thing that came last week was this classic Eternal Gallery. And it's a cute box. And ready? Washi tape, which is so awesome. So I'll show you. These are the couple, three here. And then those two, my favorite one, Starry Night. And then this one. And then these. Awesome. I don't know who sent this. There was no note. There was nothing to say, oh, you received this from. So I asked Diamond. She said no. So whoever you are out there, thank you so very much. I will appreciate it. Love it, love it. And let's set that right. Now, what came today, or yesterday, I'm sorry. I opened it today because Scott forgot to give it to me. I was like, I didn't order anything. He goes, I don't know what it is, baby. So I opened it. This is so cool. It's a paint by number Starry Night. So cool. Look at that. All the paint. They're all numbered. And look at the canvas. Oh, my Lanta. Can you tell I've been watching host there for a second? I will not even attempt this until these are 100% better. I just got off the phone with my doctor. He thinks the stitches that are inside both my wrists are not healing correctly. So he called me in a prescription to get the swelling down, icing, 3-pound limit. Yeah. So whoever sent me this, thank you. I cannot wait to do this. I was like looking, I got my magnifying glass, so I was like, oh my Lord. My great tiny right there, it's like fifth, yeah. You can't even tell some of them. 16. Yeah, there are some tiny, tiny ones. They are very challenging. 24. 4. Yeah. So this is going to be one of those times where you need the magnifying glass and the paintbrush at the same time. Like this tiny one is 14. 16. You know? Woo, this is not going to be one of these projects you start and can finish in a week. I'll tell you that already. But I cannot wait to sink my hands into doing this. So, this, because I've been going bored. I can't really paint. I can't, it's been hard. I've been using like those Tempur-Pedic paint sticks that kind of look like a glue stick. That I can do, but a paintbrush, can't hang on to it yet. So, for a very long time. So I thought, this made me think of something I bought a while ago that I thought, it's a good winter project or something to do down the road. So, I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to put this all back in here for now. So, diamond painting. I totally forgot I got these. This was, and there are, I want to say 4 in here. Four or 5. So we got Starry Night. We got the, I can't think right now. That one. We got this one, and we have this one. So I thought, I am going to work on Starry Night. I'm going to start with that one and do some diamond. I can probably do that. he did say to use my wrist, but I can't keep a hold of a paintbrush for the life of me right now. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I figured I'd start with that. Let's look at all these wonderful yummies. Yummy yummies. So Timo, I don't remember what I paid for this. I did do a Timo haul when I ordered this. I do remember I was on painkillers. And I told Scott, why'd you give me my phone? Because I forgot I bought it. I do remember that. I believe that was that order. But I want to thank whoever's sent me the washi tape and the diamond art. This is diamond art. The paint by number. I can't wait to do the paint by number. I'll be honest. And the thing is, I've been waiting and I'm waiting for these babies to heal, so I could wash the walls going upstairs. So I can paint my going upstairs and then the hallway. So I can hang all my Van Gogh. If you go back, I have in my duplex, I hung on my bathroom was Van Gogh. Well, this bathroom here in the home is too small. So I'm hanging them up my stairs. So I can't wait to get that done and these done and incorporate them as well in going upstairs. I do have a diamond art of Van Gogh done himself, his portrait. I did that a while ago. So thank you, whoever blessed me. I am so honored that you have blessed me with these wonderful gifts, and you know my taste. So thank you, everybody. Thank yous, everybody that's watching, and thank you to the person who sent me these wonderful items. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.